actually do have children in private, and I've never actually told you guys. I'm straight, okay? I'm into men I myself wouldn't approach. You know what you guys don't see, you just see the YouTube there. Fair enough, that's what I showed you. 24, I think you from across the room. Pretty little body dancing like oh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Naomi Labelle. If it's your first time watching me, hi, my name is Naomi. You're more than welcome to stick by and subscribe and join the family. As you all can see from the title, so we're just gonna go straight into it. Okay, if you see me looking down, I'm looking down on my phone because I've got all of your assumptions about me. So if you follow me on Instagram, Naomi Labelle, I'll also put it down somewhere here. You would know that I asked you guys to basically tell me what you assume about me. Okay, so before we get started, you know the vibe. It's all about the positivity, period. Let's get started. The first assumption is you love heels. So I love heels. Yes, I love wearing heels. So yes, I do. I love heels. You never forget when someone does something bad to you. Well, if you're just forgetting, you're not learning. So of course, like, yeah, I won't forget it. You know, it doesn't mean that we'll be like besties or friends of friends. Like, listen, I know you, I've seen what you did, I've seen what you done, you know, I know you, like, I'm not gonna forget it, but I forgive you. So yes, that's very true. Yes, I'll never forget. Let's not be silly. You like horror movies? No, I don't. Who actually watches horror movies? No, I do not. I don't. No, I don't. You're a morning person. Really? Really? Does this face looks like a morning person? No, I'm not a morning person, but sometimes I have no choice. You know, you go to university, you have to get up morning, and you work, you have to get up morning. But no, I'm not a morning person. You love money too much. I mean, who doesn't love money? Like, come on, bring it here, bring it. I'm joking. No, of course, like, everyone loves, not love, like, how do I say it? How do I put it in a sense? Okay, we need money to survive. Like, I wouldn't say I love, but I need it. We need it to survive. We need it to, you know, to buy things, to look good. You know what I mean? But I wouldn't say as I love it too much. Nah, you know. Okay, this is interesting. You have 5 tattoos. Where do you see the tattoo? I have never. I don't know. Like, no. Like, looking back on my videos, nah. I don't have tattoos. Where? Like, no. I do not have tattoos. When you smoke? No, I don't smoke. I hate the smell of smoke, so I don't smoke. Yeah. Nope. Next one. You had breast surgery. I had breast surgery. Wow. No, baby, I did not. They are all natural. Alhamdulillah, Allah blessed me with them. Alhamdulillah, God blessed me with them, so they are all natural, babe. Breast surgery, who? Breast surgery, where? Like, Next one, you are short. Well, you're short. Well, yeah, I'm short. Yeah, I'm like 5'5". Yeah, 5'5". I think. But yeah, I'm around 5 foot. Yeah, I'm short. Yeah. You're right about that. That's you're right. You eat Cerelac. Oh my gosh, let me know down below if you eat Cerelac. Yes, I eat Cerelac. Yes, I eat Cerelac. Cerelac. I'm saying it in the African way. Cerelac. Cerelac. Anyways, whatever, man. I'll put it here, the picture here, so you know. Yeah, I eat it. Yeah, it's so yummy. It's so yum. But yeah. You used to or still play an instrument? Yes, I used to play an instrument. I used to play drums. No, hold on. I used to play guitar in primary school. I used to play drums in secondary school, and well, I still do sing. So I play drums and I sang. So singing is an instrument. So yes, I sing, and yes, I play drums. And oh yeah, guys, one fact about me, yeah, I used to sing in a choir. If you didn't know, yeah. If you didn't know, let me just put it out there. I thought you was rude. Yeah, I get that a lot. No, baby, I'm not rude. No, yeah, I get that a lot though. Naturally, I have like a bitchy face, like a bitchy resting face. So people would think that, oh my gosh, this person is rude, or this person is like mean, this and that. Actually, nah, I'm the nicest person ever. I am, but don't try me, yeah, do not try me. So I'll act like you never existed. Anyways, you're a good cook, you're a good cooker, you're a good cooker. Yes, I am. You got children in private. What makes you think I got children in private? Actually, do you know what? Yeah, let me tell you the truth. Yeah, come here, come close. Do you know what? Yes, I actually do have children in private, and I've never actually told you guys. So I've got 3 beautiful children. I've got 2 girls and a boy. So yeah, yeah. No, but actually I got spiritual children. Yeah, spiritual children. So I'm a godmother. God blessed me with 3 godchildren. So 2 girls and 1 boy. So I love them. Love you, my babies. So yeah, I'm a godmother. Okay, yeah. You're bi. No, baby, I'm not bi. I'm not bi. No, I'm straight. Okay, I'm into men. I'm into men. Even though I love my sisters, okay, I be looking at my sister, complimenting myself like, girl, you're looking good today. I'm straight, baby, straight. Okay, I'm straight. I'm into men, not women, men. Okay. You wanna move back to London? Lord, what makes you think that? What makes you think that I wanna move back to London? Listen, London is expensive, you know? London is expensive. London is just so big that sometimes you go where you be like, oh my gosh, why did I even go out? I should have just stayed home. No, I do not wanna move back. I mean, to visit, yes. You know, it's been long since I visited London. So yeah, I would love to go back in London to visit. But yeah, you pray a lot. Yes, of course you have to pray. In everything you do, guys, you have to pray. Put God first. In places you go, people you meet, whatever conversation you have, you always have to pray. Because girl, we be walking, speaking to people. We don't even see what's inside our hearts. If God gave us that power to see people's heart, like there'll be a lot of people that I myself wouldn't approach, and I'm sure you also would agree as well. So yeah, so yes, you have to pray a lot. Yes, I pray a lot. Next one, you just do YouTube. Lol, no baby, I do not just do YouTube. This is what you are seeing. You are seeing that this woman, this lady, because she'll be giving us videos like she just does YouTube. Babe, no, I do not. YouTube, I love doing YouTube. Yeah, let me just put that out there. I love doing YouTube, but YouTube is not the only thing I do. Like I mentioned, and like I have shown you guys, I am a student. I go to university, and also I work. So work, you know what I mean? So it's not just YouTube. So I've got other things happening behind closed doors, behind, you know, what you guys don't see. You just see the YouTube there. Fair enough, that's what I show you. Yeah, but yeah, you don't see what's happening behind, baby. So yeah, no, YouTube is not, I do not do just YouTube. Very quiet. I'm guessing you are very quiet. At first you will say, obviously when you see me, yes, I am a very quiet person. I observe. That's, you know, I will observe you before I get my my crazy side. No, not my crazy side. No, before I open up, you know what I mean? I observe first. So that's why I'm just be like, I'll be watching. Yeah, so you're right, baby. Yes, I'm very quiet. Next one, you're a party girl. I'm a party girl. No, baby, I'm not a party girl, but I know how to have fun. I know how to party. even though I can't dance. But anyways, yeah, I know how to have fun, I know how to party, but no, I am not a party girl. You don't see me every Saturday, every Sunday. You don't let disrespect go. Who does? Like, bro, you disrespected me. You disrespected me. You think I'll be cool with you? You think it'll be like, yeah. No, bro. Nah, of course I won't let it go. Like, nah. Disrespect is disrespect, okay? Nowadays, people are just finding it like, you know, it's okay to disrespect. It's okay. I do you wrong. I do you bad today, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Which world or what part of a world are you living at? Because it don't work like that. So yeah, I don't let it go. No, why should I let it go? Let me know, guys. Let me know if you guys let disrespect go. Like, if someone disrespected you, yeah, would you let that go? I'm sure you wouldn't, man. Come on, let's not be silly. You're rude. No, I'm not rude. Obviously, if you try me, well, I will deliver. You know what I mean? But no, I'm not rude. I do not like being rude to people, and I wouldn't like people being rude to me. So I don't do it at all. Okay? But if you provoke your girl, of course your girl is going to deliver. But I'm not rude. Next one, you're a virgin 100%. Yes, I'm a virgin 100%. Yes, I am a virgin. Yeah. I'm a virgin. Yeah.
Stop it. Get some help.
That's for you to find out, okay? Like, come on, let's not be silly. Let's not be silly, man. Come on. But yeah, that's for you to find out, man. Anyways, next one, you're closed off. Lol. This is reminding me of Love Island. Did you guys watch Love Island this season? Like, honestly, yeah, we are closed off. Oh, we are exclusive. Like, what? Yes, I'm closed off, baby. I am closed off. Yo, this is so funny, man. I love this. I love hearing from you guys. Listen, I love it. Next one, I think this is the last one. Yeah, you're very shy. Oh no, I'm not very shy. Like I said, like I mentioned at first, I may seem shy, but I'm just there observing and looking. I'm just there observing and looking. So no, I'm not shy. Okay, at first yes, but not in, like, you know, yeah, I'm not shy. So guys, that is it. That's the end. So thank you so much for those who participated. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for the love that you are showing on my videos. Like, literally, nah, man, you guys are amazing. You're amazing. You are amazing. So thank you for sticking by, and thank you for subscribing. Okay, so yes guys, that's it for me for now. I will see you soon. So you look after yourself. Remember, put God first in everything, and trust me, you will not fail. God does not disappoint. Yeah, okay, all right, bye bye lovelies. Bye again. Bye.
Keep it umbrella. I'm tryna love you like a gangster. Baby, would you answer? I give you love.